In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to fix Zoho Books API error codes and troubleshoot the most common issues developers face when integrating with this platform. Dealing with API errors can be incredibly frustrating, but most of these issues stem from simple configuration mistakes involving permissions, regional servers, or expired security credentials. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to identify specific error numbers and apply the correct fix immediately, so you can get your integration back on track. If this guide helps you resolve your technical hurdles, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more developer-focused content. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the one message you actually want to see, which is error code 0. This indicates success. If you see this message, the API call worked perfectly, and your data should be visible immediately below that response. Now, moving on to the actual problems, let's look at error code 57, which is the unauthorized error. This is almost always a permission problem related to your scopes. To fix this, you must ensure you are using the precise scope zohobooks.fullaccess.all when you are generating your authorization code. Without this full access scope, the API will refuse your request. Additionally, error 57 can be triggered if your base URL does not match your account region. For example, if your Zoho account is hosted in Europe, you must use the .eu extension in your API endpoints rather than the standard .com. Next up is error 401, the invalid token error. This is a very common issue because Zoho access tokens are temporary and only last for 60 minutes. If your integration was working an hour ago and suddenly stopped, your token has simply expired. To fix this, you need to use your refresh token to generate a new access token, or manually generate a new one if you are in development mode. Then we have error 404, which is the not found message. This usually means the web address or endpoint you are trying to reach is incorrect. A frequent culprit for this error is again the regional server mismatch. If you are registered on the European server, but your script is pointing to the .com domain, the server will report that the resource does not exist. Always double-check your region to ensure the URL structure is perfect. Finally, let's cover a universal step that fixes the majority of Zoho Books API errors, the organization ID. You must ensure that your API link ends with the organization ID parameter, followed by your actual unique ID number. Without this ID, Zoho doesn't know which specific account environment to pull data from. Just add the question mark followed by organization ID equals and your ID string at the end of your request URL. This simple addition solves many of the general connectivity issues you might face. And that is it. You have successfully learned how to diagnose and fix the most common Zoho Books API error codes using these simple steps. If this video helped you save time on your project, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with our latest guides. Thanks for watching and happy coding!